So it's difficult to give criteria for distinguishing God from an idol. And I'm sure there are very many different approaches to trying to find such a criterion. But for myself, I think about it this way. Among the opening lines of the Bible is the claim that human beings are made in the image of God. Now, I would say that being in the image of is an asymmetric relation. That is, if I am made in the image of God, God is not made in the image of me. Doesn't work like that. So an image is something like the thing it's an image of, but it's lesser. It's somehow metaphysically lesser. In the case of an idol, I would say the idol is made in the image of me. The idol represents something that I myself am or would like to be, and it is smaller than me, typically smaller than me. So you can tell the difference between God and an idol by whether the thing we are looking at is bigger than me or smaller than me. And when it is smaller than me, it is made in my image and is not worthy of worship. What is worthy of worship is only what is greater than me.